While some of the projected design changes for the iPhone 15 series may not be significant, they might still be among the most anticipated ones. A fresh leak has recently surfaced, and it's a fascinating one that discusses the potential design change we may anticipate for the full lineup. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max from last year did away with a notch in favor of what Apple has nicknamed the Dynamic Island, a pill-shaped and circular cutout. Pictures of the iPhone 15 series front glass panel and protector supplied by a sleeker Ice Universe seem to support the rumor that the basic models will also omit the notch this year. The pictures seem to indicate that the whole lineup will be notched, and they also support reports that the Pro models would have slimmer bezels. The glass panel for the two models with 6.1-inch screens, the iPhone 15 and the 15 Pro, and the two models with 6.7-inch screens, the 15 Plus and the Pro Max, is shown in the top image. The 15 Pro Max is said to boast the narrowest bezels of any smartphone, while the bottom picture seems to show the screen protectors. A tipster has also indicated the additional color possibilities that the iPhone 15 lineup might launch in a tweet from Tipster Shrimp. The bezels on both Pro models will also be somewhat curled around the sides in comparison to the 14 Pro, which could give them an Apple Watch-like design. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are anticipated to launch in green, midnight, pink product red, starlight, and yellow color choices, according to Apple Pro, citing a Weibo post screenshot by acclaimed Foxconn employee. This supports a previous rumor that the models will launch a new cyan color choice akin to the green option of the iPhone 12 series. Additional design modifications could include a larger camera hump for the Pro models exclusively, a USB Type-C connection, and a redesigned mute button that might be termed the Action button. Expect improved camera and battery performance among the other updates. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is also most likely to contain a periscopic lens, which will be a first for an iPhone. It would be wise to wait for official information on the pricing before making any decisions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.